Hi and welcome everyone to our introduction video for our new application. We've created an application that will help you manage your expenses at home. So let's get into it. So this is the main screen of the application where you can add expenses. Let's begin. So the first expense, call it PC. We'll put the amount and we'll create a category for it. Let's say the category is home. And we'll specify which date this expense was. You can specify past dates, future dates, or the current one. Let's just select past one and add. So now I have the PC expense in my list of expenses. Continue. Let's add more. iPad, amount 2000, category. Let's call it luxury. Let's specify the same date. Add. We'll create another one so have something to play with. Gas, let's say 300. Category car, and we'll specify a different date. We can see also that we can delete if we want expenses. We just bring it back really fast. Date was 23. So now we have three expenses. Well, when I click, now we have three expenses, and let's play with it a little bit. We can see the expenses in a list fashion or by using some graphs, and we can filter them. So let's start and filter a little bit. Let's filter by category. So we want to view only the application, the expenses from home category. Apply, and we'll just see the PC because it was the only home category expense we had. We can filter by date. So on the 22 we had two expenses. We need to view, we need to see them. Apply, and we see the two expenses that are only for the 22. Okay, so good. Let's get rid of this filter. And now we see everybody back. Okay, so another feature we have here is expense limit, where we can limit an expense, a total expense for a specific date. So let's choose a date. Let's choose the 22, where we have two expenses already. Let's type 6,000. So we're limited to 6,000, and you can see the expenses you have per date in a list fashion. Let's add another one for the 24. For 600 set limit, and we can see all the expenses, the limits we have per day. So let's see it in action. Let's add another expense for that day, for the 22. So let's do iPhone, amount 3,000, category luxury, and we should be a problem here. Yeah, so we see that we wanted to use 8,500 while our limit was 6,000, so we have an alert, but the expense is still here. We can delete the expense if we want to maybe not use this expense and decide not to buy the iPhone eventually. So this is our application, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.